everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. Come on in, grab a snack. This is going to be a big thing. So this week is going to be SophieBBeauty's beauty room do up makeover. I don't really want to call it a transformation because it's not going to change too crazy. Basically this week I have a little planner. Boom. I have videos coming out every single day. So in these videos we're gonna have painting and decorating, cleaning makeup brushes, cleaning my actual makeup products, and by that I mean, for example, that's not the best one, I've got dirtier ones than that. For example, going through all of my makeup and cleaning it, sorting out my clothes. I've got suitcases behind here, making sure that I'm keeping everything that I want to keep, organising all my drawers again, crazy, and just like a little spruce up. I'm going to move a few things around and add a couple of things in that I haven't had before, and yeah, that's basically what this week's going to be. So make sure you're subscribed, make sure you turn on the notification bell, and then you get alerted every time I've uploaded, because it's going to be every single day this week. If you're watching this in the future, in the future, I will leave the playlist link down below for you as well if you just want to binge watch it all at once. So today's one, we are going to be doing painting in here. This is going to be, we need to paint this wall bad, like real bad. And we're going to be painting that wall. I can't reach that wall because obviously all of my wardrobes are there, but this is pretty safe anyway because my wardrobes have just been there. And I can't reach the wall here because my wardrobe's there. And then this wall, I can only reach about half of it, so I might just do some touch-ups like here at the bottom. So we're going to be painting and doing a couple of bits in here, and I'll show you through everything. But yeah, we need to get everything out of this room and just start. I've been putting this off for so long. But first, coffee.
I fell and lost to the war, shot me dead. I was lost and I said to the voices in my head, I'm gonna get up again. I'm gonna get up to another day. I'm not giving up again. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up.
Right, so this is what it's looking like now. So I need to paint like the skirting boards. I need to dust them as well, but obviously there's so much stuff that's been there in front of them. This wall is like okay. It looks like the last people tried to paint it themselves as well. A few marks. And then down here needs a good dust and a clean as well. And then definitely a good paint up here. But I'm absolutely roasting already. Let me open this window more.
Look into my eyes. My heart beats like a drum. You listen to my lies. Love is far to come. Your love is far. Running at the speed of light, kissing under city lights. Calls me in this morning time, but it just goes on. Running at the speed of light, kissing under city lights. Calls me in this morning time, but it just goes on. Gotta get up again. I'm gonna get up to another day. I'm not giving up again.
Right, we are all painted. I am sweaty. I don't think you guys can even move the toilet. Let me move away from this window, because I know it's loud. We're all painted, so all the walls are done. It looks so much more, it looks super dark on the camera, sorry. But it is like, so much more like, bright white, pristine. I don't know why it's so dark. Hello camera. I mean, like, that looks like it's great. It's not, do you know what I mean? But anyway, it's all done, thank God. It didn't take that long, but you know what it is? It's just, oh, I just wish I was as tall as a wall, because then I could just not have to worry about getting up and down. Oh my God, I think you can see my sweat more now. My jumper is absolutely ruined, but it's fine. It's just like my lousy jumper anyway. So, I'm just sweating. I'm gonna leave that to dry for a bit and just chill out. And then I'm also gonna clean my carpet today as well in this video. There's so many videos that I'm doing and I'm filming some on the same day, so I need to try and remember that. But yeah, painting's done, leaving it for a bit, and then I'm gonna clean my carpet and I'll show you how I do that obviously. And then yeah, hot. Honestly, I was gonna say you can see the difference, that's a completely different colour, isn't it? It is so crisp and like fresh and white. Like, it wasn't even this white when we moved in, I'm convinced. It's so good. So it is the same day. I've got my dressing gown on now and I've got a different pair of trousers on because I didn't realise that the leggings I had on had a massive hole in, and I was sweating so much that my hoodie was like wet. Wasn't cute, so I had to get changed. What I'm gonna do, I've got paint all over me still. What I want to do in this video as well is I want to clean the floor, which I mentioned to you. But first, my desktop, not like laptop, but my desk has got so many marks on it. Not even just like stains, but like chipped marks. And this side is completely fine. So I'm gonna do a couple of layers of paint on this, and then use this now as my desk top of the desk, whatever it's called. So I can't do the floor until that, because I'm going to lay that on the floor and paint it. So that's what I'm going to do now, and then leave that to dry for a bit, and then I can do the floor, and then today's video will be done. I've had to schedule in my mind and on my phone what days I'm uploading for what, and then I want to clean the windows as well. I didn't do them that long ago, but I'm just going to do them again just while I'm here. So yeah, I'm going to paint my tabletop, sorry. This is definitely going to need 2 coats, so I'm going to leave it to dry for a bit and then come back and do the second. And then there's like little holes, and then the corners that I'm going to have close to me, so those 2 I've just filled in, but the other ones I've kind of just left because I can't really be bothered if I'm honest. But I'm going to leave this to dry for a bit. See, the shadow makes this look weird. It's all the same. Leave this to dry for a bit and then I'll do another coat, and then that should be okay. And then I'm going to lean that to dry elsewhere and then do the floors, because I want to try and get the furniture back in as soon as, but I don't know. How do you know when paint's dry? I've got paint on my hands anyway, this is not the best. But yeah, that's all. So just wait for this to dry and then do a second coat. Right, I'm just gonna give the windows a quick clean. I can't do the outside, which is annoying, but I'll just do the inside. Right, I just got some more one-on-one, you know how it is, hopefully you can hear me. I've cleaned the windows, again I can't clean the outside, but they look a lot more cleaner. And then I've gone around here, some of these things are like fully marked. You guys thought I was gonna swear, didn't you? And then I've cleaned in here, and now I'm going to get all the stains out the floor and show you what I use. So this is what I use. I get some Home Bargains. I've used this for a few years now and I swear by it. I think it's the best thing ever. It's relatively inexpensive. It's from Dr. Beckman, yeah. Carpet stain remover. That's what it looks like. It's got a little bristle at the top and I will show you. So I'm just gonna first do the area where my desk and everything goes so that I can get my desk back, so I have a little bit more space to do the rest. I need to clean these, so I need to just do the bits where the desk is going. I'm going to clean the drawers because they're quite filthy, hopefully you can see. Move the desk back and then do the rest. So let me show you. So we've got quite a few stains. So we've got like one here. I'm going to try and get one that you guys can see. You see that one, right? Let me just set you guys up. We're not doing that one just yet. This one here. I mean, you saw it before, right? There we go. So, grab this. Spray the spray. Sometimes I leave the spray for a little bit. I'm just going to put it on a little bit of a stubborner one as well. So many stains in this carpet. But I never get too scared because I have this. Hopefully you guys can hear me as well. Sorry if you can't. It's so hot I had to open the window. And then you just get the brush. You just give it a good old clean. I did just vacuum this area quickly while you guys were on charge. So it could just be a bit more clean, but I'm going to vacuum over as well once I've finished getting these marks up. So that's a stubborn one here as well. It says you don't have to pour the liquid on, but I do for like the stubborn ones, and I do for ones that I can't like always see, so that I know that I've got some to do. I don't know if you guys are going to see all these, but yeah, it's so good, and I've raved about this loads on my vlogs, on Instagram, but it's so good. I've only ever used it for makeup, but I mean, if it gets makeup out, I think it will get the majority of stuff out. I've got loads of little like fluffy bits. Alright, if I look super flushed, Tom and I have just been playing. We were listening to Mulan, Be a Man? I'll make a man out of you, sorry. And it's proper like, it's when like they're training her and everything, so there's like loads of like fight things, and me and Tom just always like playing like fight. So I'm a little bit warm and flushed. So, carpet around here is done. Tabletop's on, drawers are sorted, everything's painted that needs to be done, all that. All I'm going to do now is just hoover up a bit, and then I'm going to wrap this video up today. And then just what I'm going to do with all this is the other videos. Oh, it brummy then. Nope, don't like that, did not like that. So if you're watching this live as it's going up, I'll let you know the schedule. So today was painting and cleaning the carpet. Tomorrow's video will be decorating, so like this little area here I'm going to do something with, putting up some wall art, and I've got a new shelf that I'm putting in and organising all of here, so all that is going to get organised and cleaned. And then the next day I'm going to be sorting out my clothes, going through all of my clothes, everything like that. The next day I'm going to be cleaning my actual makeup. The next day I'm cleaning my brushes. Then it's beauty room tour, and then we end on a makeup collection. So that is what you've got to look forward to for the rest of the week. I'm just going to finish off hoovering. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, like I said, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you're watching all this in the future and you want to watch it all at once, like I said, I'll leave the playlist down below. I'll make a whole playlist of this. If you like cleaning, organising, declutters, I do loads of those, so I'll leave those playlists down below as well. I am really warm. But let me just hoover up, tidy this up just a little bit so that when I do the decorating video tomorrow, I can just put things straight away. But yeah, I'm so happy. It looks so white. What I've done is kept a little gap here as well, so that there's just a little space between the tabletop and the wall, so it doesn't bang off the wall all the time. But I have put it against the wall just here, but it's only a tiny little bit. And I know what the paint is as well, because obviously I've just painted. Oh, that's what I wanted to tell you guys. The paint is from Wilko's, and it is the Brilliant White. Brilliant White, pure Brilliant White. Yeah, that's what it says on the tub, whatever it is. That's all that I've used. And that's the same one that I did on the tabletop. And the tabletop has got 2 coats. It's not like amazing, but it's better than, like, you might see some of like the dents and everything. And I'm happy anyway, but like against like the blinds, the window that's been cleaned, the walls that have been freshly painted, everything just looks so bright, which is amazing for filming. So good for filming. But yeah, let me keep this short and sweet and just hoover, and then we can end it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the week.